guys, hello everyone. We're on our way to our friend Candy for her 88th birthday.
Dunya Evelyn. Okay, we're here. This is, alam mo, ang laki niyang ano na yan. Ang ganda nitong store na to. Galleria. Ang dami nilang ano. Ang dami nilang tindahan. Chinese. It's a Chinese.
No, it's a Korean.
Ah, Korean. Yeah, ang dami nilang tinda. And it's so big. This Korean store is so nice. Okay, we're going to Dragon Pearl. The STC Angels favorite. Ang kanilang paboritong restaurant where they what they call this, celebrate their birthday. Every year, Candy celebrates her birthday in Dragon Pearl. Okay, look here, madam. Okay. Dance, pang real. Pang real. Okay. Chinese. Oh, Chinese, Japanese style. Okay. Back to school.
Your destination is on the right.
Here comes the fashion show. Guwak, guwak.
Kate Spade.
Kate Spade.
What's yours?
Mine is, this is, what is that? Embroidered coats.
So we are entering the Dragon Pearl Buffet restaurant. You can see the prices. So it's 26. Is that for senior? Yep, this is the Dragon Pearl. It's a nice restaurant.
Dragon Pearl.
Naging ano na nila favorite mga taga STC seniors. So here we are, and that's where Candy's
Saan daw?
party
Oh,
is
big Buddha.
going. So there's a big Buddha on the entrance.
Hello. Inuuna pa yung video. Halo. Uno pa yung video.
Kasama tayo sa Lido no.
Sa Legion noon. Hindi na kayo nagpupunta. Bakit?
Nasa trabaho ko. Hindi na rin. Napupunta ko.
Rose. Video. Ay. Pang ano? Pang YouTube. Dito kukunan ko. Asan na si Guy? Anong sabi mo? Anong sabi mo?
Ang dami.
Arte. Piso pa.
Kiss.
Thank you. Thank you, Star.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Star.
Pasensya ka na dyan. Okay, kayong dalawa. Ayan, ang mga Miss Beautiful. Kumukuha ng food. Dragon Pearl.
So here we go to lunch at Dragon Pearl. We have so much different dishes. There you go. This I think is the barbecues and fried food. I just took the salmon. That's all I eat. And veggies and chicken dumplings. I think that's all. I didn't eat much. These are the sushi, I think. Yeah, sushi. There you go. Nice. Oh, yummy sushi. It looks like a special one. Ayan. And then we go to the squid. Oh, look at that. Yummy in my tummy. That's all I think I got. I got 2 pieces. 2 pieces of squid at 2 pieces of salmon, which I gave one to Evelyn because she didn't see where it was. And I was going to get this mushroom, but I changed my mind. Minsan kasi merong yung parang sumasama ang pakiramdam ng tiyan pag kumain ako ng big mushrooms. So here are the desserts. Ooh, almond cookies. And then the kamay-kamay, tawag sa akin kamay, the crunchy one. Then we have this mango pudding, which is so yummy. And different, cakes. And there's a mango sago. Mango flavor and fruits. There you go. We have pineapple, cantaloupe, oranges.
Miss Candy.
Gardener.
At 88. Tama ba?
Yeah.
88. Look at her.
Yes.
Okay, my question. Are you, hindi, no. Are you still going to the Legion Friday, Saturday, Sunday? Yes.
Yes.
That's her
Yes.
secret. Look at her. She's
That's
my idol. Oh, very energetic.
Thank you. And I
Happy
advise you
birthday.
you drink every night before you sleep 1 glass of milk. Milk.
Oh, okay. That's
Milk.
for
2%.
Calcium.
Neutral. Not kuana.
Hindi
Yeah.
ba maraming fat yun?
No.
I just drink 1%.
No. Listen to me. Ako ba maraming fat? Lahat ako wala. Everything.
No, because kasi kaya ka walang fat, tinatagtag mo.
Oh, yeah, kaya-
3 nights a week.
And also tea.
Friday, Saturday. Kumain ka na, no? Ito ang aming executive
Oh.
in the Legion. First Filipina.
Oh,
come on.
Yan ang boss
Rose
namin.
Sorapia.
Aming mga Pilipino.
Congrats.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Bayad din panood, ha? How young are you? Eight. Are you 8? Happy ang celebrant. Oh, ulitin mo yun.
Ako lang ang mayaman
Rap,
dito.
rap. Sayang.
Sana isabay mo. Ayaw pag... Yan ako sa nag-asin na ako 5 million.
Ay, pakita mo yung ano.
Mamahalin yan, 300,000.
Yung tato.
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Step Curry.
Ang ganda nito. Sayaw. Sayaw.
Wala.
Baka yung mahinhin,
Wala, hindi ako,
mahihin.
hindi ako mahinhin.
Mahihin.
Galaw-gaw ako, no? Nakikita mo ba ako mahinhin? Galaw-gaw ako. Number one.
Ano yung mga chismis na yung mga...
Mahihi. Alam mo, chismis na yan.
Ako rin eh, pareho tayo. Ako din. Ito eh.
Gano'n? Ayun, patulan. Ako
Nasaan yung Iba na agad. Grabe talaga sa region na iba. Ngayon, susunod ko, wala na.
Day.
So, ganun talaga yun.
Day.
Para mga nasa Hollywood.
Guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. This is our friend Candy's 88th birthday. Thank you so much. Love, love, love. God bless us all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for always watching my videos. Love you all. Bye-bye.